Let me be very honest with you. If you've been searching for ways to make money online, watching endless YouTube videos, saving reels, buying cheap courses, and still not seeing real results, this video is for you. Because most people don't fail due to lack of effort. They fail because they follow random advice with no clear system. That's exactly why today I'm reviewing YouTube's Side Hustle by Web Magnus, and I'll tell you what it actually is, who should use it, who should not, and whether it's worth your time and money. No hype, no fake screenshots, just facts. Here's the truth no one says out loud. Most beginners don't know what content to make, are scared to show their face, don't understand YouTube algorithm, quit after 10 to 15 videos because nothing works. And worst of all, they jump from one method to another, hoping something magically clicks. This course is designed to fix that exact problem. This is perfect for you if you are a complete beginner. You want a step-by-step roadmap. You want to earn using YouTube without advanced skills. You want something practical, not motivational talk. You're okay with consistent effort. This is not for you if you want instant money in 24 hours. You don't want to upload content. You hate learning anything new. You expect results without action. I'm being honest here, because trust matters. This is a structured YouTube income system that shows you how to start YouTube from zero, how to choose profitable niches, how to create content even if you don't show your face, how to monetize using smart methods beyond AdSense, how to avoid beginner mistakes that kill channels. It's designed for normal people, not tech experts. Let me break this down in a way that actually makes sense. 1. Clear beginner roadmap. You're not guessing. You're not experimenting blindly. You get a step-by-step process. Niche content growth monetization. 2. No face, low skill friendly. If you think, I'm not confident on camera, I don't have editing skills, this course shows alternative formats that still work. 3. Monetization beyond AdSense. This is big. Most people think, no views equals no money. Wrong. The course explains affiliate income, side income models, smart monetization strategies beginners miss. 4. Algorithm and growth logic. Not theory. It explains why some videos get pushed, and why others die at 50 views. Once you understand this, YouTube stops feeling random. Is this oversaturated? No, because YouTube rewards good execution, not early entry. Can beginners really do this? Yes, the course is literally built for beginners. How long till results? Depends on consistency. Some see traction in weeks, others in months, but this gives direction, not confusion. Is this another scam course? No fake promises, no Lamborghini nonsense. Just skills plus systems. Let me give you realistic examples. Scenario 1. You upload consistently for 60 to 90 days, channel starts getting traction, you learn monetization first, online income. Scenario 2. You use the system plus improve over time, YouTube becomes a long-term asset. This is not gambling. This is skill stacking. Compared to random YouTube videos, scattered info, expensive coaching, high risk, trial and error, time waste. This course gives structure, clarity, beginner safety. That's why it stands out. YouTube is still one of the best free traffic platforms. But people who win start earlier, follow systems, don't wait for perfect time. The longer you wait, the more crowded it feels. Depending on availability, this often includes updated strategies, extra modules, community or support access. But don't assume it'll always be there. If you want a real YouTube side hustle, a beginner-friendly system, something that actually teaches how, not hype, then YouTube Side Hustle by Web Magnus is worth checking out. I've put the official link in the description. Click the link below, review everything yourself, and see if it fits your goals. If you're serious about building income online, this is a smart place to start.